Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the price of Anchor. Right now we can see about a 1.44% increase in just the last 24 hours, pushing us just above 8 cents. If we look at the last week though, in the last month, we're going to be seeing about a 15 to 18% decrease as there's been so much volatility in the market and we are coming off of a very nice run on the crypto market. So we are going to see, like I said, this kind of volatility play out. I am expecting big things for the end of the year and the end of the bull market for Anchor. So we're going to talk about price predictions at the end of the video. If you guys want to stay tuned with everything regarding the crypto space, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. We can right now see that the market cap is at 625.3 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is right around 35.2 million, a very, very low number, but that is you kind of got to remember that we are into the weekend, right? So during the weekend for crypto, usually the volume does come down or spike below a certain threshold very, very quickly, and that's what we're seeing here. We can also see that the trading activity is still 51% buy, 49% sell, the all-time high being right around 22 cents, so about 3 times our current price. And I think, like I said, we are going to continue to see Anchor be a coin that a lot of people want to look into a little bit deeper, and that's exactly what we're going to dive into a little bit today. So we jump into the first tweet. You can see that you can now actually add liquidity to Anchor on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Sushi Swap, Banker, and then also the 1inch as well. So that's definitely going to be a solid for Anchor, continuing to throw up a lot of different things. And this is something that I hate to see. The price is not moving. Do something substantial. So this guy's obviously in it for the money, and a lot of us are in the crypto space for money, right? We want to earn on the way up to the top. What you have to realize is they are not in it for the money. Anchor is not here to just make money. They're not here to just add value to their coin. They're here to actually make, this a successful and usable app, or not really app, but platform. They're trying to make their, coin stand out. And that's exactly what they're doing with all of these updates. Slowly but surely, they are making their coin a top 50 coin that people actually want to look into. So I just, I can never stand these comments really, just because the fact is, Anchor's obviously working hard. They're a company that's continuing to throw out many different kind of updates, and you can see that here with the Community Advocates Program and Phantom RPC Tools acquisition and other news. You can see that they have a lot of things to cover. So product updates, they have Kasama Parachain bonds are now live at Anchor StakeFi. Anchor has also acquired the Phantom Foundation RPC tools to expand our decentralized public RPC support. They also partnering up with Clover to bring liquid staking to Polkadot crowd loans. If you continue even farther down, you'll see the Internet Bonds news. So AVAX or AAVAXB is now trading live on Trader Joe. They also have the AAVAXB and AVAX LP is now available on Pangolin. And then they also have the best ways to earn with Avalanche, instant liquidity, and multiple streams of income. So a lot going on, like I said, with Anchor. They have a great little update here, and it goes over the Anchor token news. So Anchor is now available trading at 7B crypto broker apps, which is, just more accessibility. You can see some of the Internet Bonds liquidity here. I'm not going to jump too far into that, but you can see Anchor as well as ATECH or AETHC, and then AETHB, and then AVAXB. So if we go down a little bit farther, though, we do see the important stats being there is currently 3.848 million worth of AVAX staked with Anchor's validator nodes. That's a very, very solid number. And we're also seeing media partnerships. So Anchor and Lydia Finance, AMA recap, and also how to run a Polygon RPC using Anchor. So there are some things that they're working on. Obviously, people want to see, this price continue to move up. I think it's going to be a matter of time. The entire market's going down. I'm not sure how you can expect Anchor to be moving the market up. So that's just a silly comment. Like I said, that tweet specifically, kind of a silly tweet. I want to jump into an article here, though. Before we jump into this article and where Anchor might bounce from, where we're seeing resistance, I do want to jump into Apollo FinTech, or APL. If you guys don't know much about APL FinTech, it's a very, very cool concept, and we're going to kind of talk a little bit about it today in today's video, and then we'll jump back into Anchor. So we can see it's featured on places like Forbes, NASDAQ, Fox Business, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, and many more. You can also see they're building the future of financial services, whether it's the Knox National Payment Platform, Knox Commodity Exchange, the Knox WorldWire. And when we are on this WorldWire, I kind of want to talk about the bank-to-bank payments made fast, simple, and secure, and what they're actually accomplishing. So if you go to their Apollo FinTech Twitter account, you can see Steven continuing to put out great content for us to actually read about what they're doing. So here we can see when we first started designing Knox WorldWire, we were really just looking to beat RippleNet. Now, with our new design and after speaking with many banks, we are not even looking at RippleNet as competition anymore. We are looking to go head to head with Swift, which is definitely a bullish tweet to be putting out there. I will say, guys, I will be putting down in the description of today's video all the links to APL FinTech. If you guys want to take a look yourself, like I said, they have so much more that they actually do here: government solutions, commercial products, consumer products. So if you want to check it out, definitely, like I said, jump into today's description of today's video, and you'll be able to see more about APL. I do want to jump into this article, though, regarding Anchor in the bounce from here. So Anchor provides solutions to deploy blockchain nodes at a very cheap price as compared to other systems. It uses the idea of shared resources. Anchor aims to build a network and a marketplace for Web3 stack development, or deployment, I should say, which is going to allow end users and resource providers to connect to the blockchain and DeFi applications. You can also see the Anchor movements. Like I said, they are talking about specific price points that are going to have resistance, and right around the first one being 10 cents and the second one being 11 cents. So we do have resistance at 10 and 11 cents. Basically, we break 12 cents. So we're going to be looking very, very bullish on Anchor and probably the rest of the market at that point as well. So do keep that in mind. 10 to 11 cents, right around there. We are going to have two different kind of resistance points. And I really think Anchor has what it takes to make it in the long run. We know this is a long-term coin. This isn't going to be one that's going to 10x overnight. Not going to have that same kind of impact Solana had. So if you're looking for just absolutely insane, overnight increases, this unfortunately is not going to be the one for you. It does have a low market cap, so I think it's still going to be a very, very solid, increase for this year. But, realistically speaking, I'm thinking around 30 cents being that price target by the end of the year. By the end of the bull market part two, I'm hoping for about 50 cents. That would be over, that'd be definitely a very, very solid increase. That would be over its all-time high. If we take a look at the last, all-time high, it was right around 22 cents. And that was March 27th at 8 p.m. So that's been a while. We've had a lot of decreases, volatility since then. We'll see what Anchor does. We'll definitely keep you guys up to date. If you guys haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I also want to take you guys over to Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. That is going to be myself. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I do give away quite a bit on Twitter. So if Link hits $40 before October 1st, I will give someone who retweets 40 Chainlink. All you have to do is follow so I can DM you if you win, and I will give this Chainlink away either this month or next month if it doesn't get given away this month because the market doesn't recover enough. I am expecting Chainlink to obviously hit $40 before the end of the year. So hopefully by the end of the year, we will be giving you guys these 40 Chainlink. I have it kind of stashed away and ready for somebody. So we'll see what happens with that. We'll definitely keep you up to date on Twitter and YouTube. If you guys haven't already as well, check out my Patreon down in the description below. I have a Patreon that gives you exclusive market updates, whether it's, really exclusive market updates, low market cap picks, pre-sales, IDOs, ICOs. We give it to you all, whether it's, about Trial, Monster Infinite. We've talked about so many successful projects in the past. Wayu, they've all done, 9 to 10 X's on the pre-sales alone. So just imagine where they're going to be in 3 to 4 years. I'm just excited altogether about this channel and how much growth we've done in just this year alone. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.